yours by nature? Do you ever have to fight the urge to crawl in a ball on the floor and sleep in those moments that are too few, too brief? But you can't tell a dog where to pee. Am I doomed to be an apple forever? Can an apple ever become a pear? I mean, a bone is a bone is a bone, but whatever. But no more excuses, no more it's okay, because no more shoes. I want what God wants, no matter what that is. I want what God wants, no matter what that is. I want what God wants, I want what God wants, no matter what that is. But I am running to Him or from Him, I can't tell anymore. Am I doomed to be Eliza Jane forever? Either way, I won't be dancing in the shower anymore. Are those animal guts? If only they knew how much I agonize over everything, then they would understand that yesterday's scars make it impossible for today's fresh, oozing wounds to heal. Will fear once again determine my fate? But that's not the point. He knows I'm afraid of spiders and cockroaches. And besides, not all daydreamers are meant to be writers.